energy inside him.
Yeah. It has
Sir, can you give a clap next to mine? Yeah, clap. Clap next to mine. Yeah.
It stopped.
No, I stopped it. We can
I have a question.
What gap sir?
try it.
Oh yeah, for the final exams. For the final exam. When are we going to start practicing? In the class, not at home, in the class.
Every Sunday we practice in the extra class. That's what we did. Mustafa practiced 6 questions in the Sunday extra class. So he's very confident. So you should come to extra class on Sunday.
Excuse me, don't come here. My son who can drive me back home.
Yes, we can.
حبيبي فارس
Don't compare us.
اسمع اليوم احنا هني اجبارك ما اجبارك احد واثق ما شو تتصرف
Maybe you can actually ask Mustafa's mother. She drops you, right?
Yeah.
Maybe she can drop you.
خلاص مصطفى No, it's fine. I can drop Faris's house.
Yeah, so yeah. One of you guys
Even Irtaza.
try to help each other
I
out.
can solve Mana.
Huh?
I can
So you're not
drop Mana.
Yeah, I can drop.
No man, you can drop me.
Yes,
I come with you, man.
Why?
Because
Mon bête comme ça.
Huh? صبيته.
بيتنا.
صبيته.
Oh wait.
if you want to solve this
Near my
problem,
house,
first,
near
I want
my
to
house.
portions one.
بعيدة. بيتنا.
Look,
مبروك على بيتكم. كلام يانا.
if we have time, I will solve that. But if we don't have time,
إيه. إذا قلت ولدت تعالى.
Okay, anyways guys, let's be good. يلا يلا خلينا نسمع يلا يلا. Let's start.
This is matrix, is it?
the matrix is here.
مترس.
Matrix.
يلا guys, come on.
Okay, let's start again. Should I clap?
يلا
Yep.
what? Wait.
Ready to start?
Yep.
Wait.
No. So I can sing the audio and the footage. That's all.
Okay.
Wait.
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Action. Take 2.
I have a right here. You see the right when it goes to the top? Bottom,
Take
it's kind of
2,
getting
1, 2,
potential
3.
energy.
Hey, can you stop this thingy so we can?
I will start
analyze
again. I can't pause it, but see. The more the height, the more the potential energy, the less the kinetic energy.
Why?
What? Yes, no,
Next
no.
time, keep it in slow motion.
You see that? You see what happened there?
Yes.
Yes, but why?
The more height,
You
the
went
more the
that
potential
high?
energy. The more the velocity.
Wait, I'll write it. Woo! Oh!
Yeah, but the energy is not conserved over here.
يعني حاسسني معلومة جديدة.
I mean,
How we cannot destroy
Yes.
Sir, when it goes up, press freeze.
What?
Maybe it works.
I can't.
What
When
you
it goes up,
can?
press freeze. Oh.
Physics.
There you go.
Mr. Sunny!
There. Highest potential energy.
Mr. Sunny!
Yeah.
What do we write? The more the height, the more the what?
Potential energy.
Potential energy.
The more the height, the more the potential energy. الحين حط لنا كاميرا ما نقدر نتحرك.
ما حد يشوفه عادي.
Okay. I want you to look at this graph now.
No, what is for the other one kinetic
The
energy?
more the velocity, the more the kinetic
ليش
energy.
تصورون بواحد ضارب؟
إذا صار شيء مثلا خلينا نقول اليوم باكر بتشيكون بتشوف فيزيك برجعونه مرة ثانية. فما حد يراقب الفيزيك.
Oh, Mr. Sunny. So when it's coming down, the right, the kinetic energy increases.
Yes, of course. Very good. Okay.
It doesn't increase, it's at its maximum.
It says maximum when it's at the lowest.
Yeah, so it doesn't increase, you know what I mean?
Okay.
The more the height, شنو تبعده?
The more the
The more
potential
the
energy.
kinetic energy.
Potential energy. The more the height, the more potential energy.
Oh, yeah, ده أنا.
Okay.
ضرب ده.
Shukran.
عفواً.
Now I want you to look at.
potential energy.
Yes, you can
Good.
see.
That's like very basic.
Yeah.
Write it down. It's
No,
very
but
basic.
like when I forgot.
I know, right? Chap. Newton has said.
I want you to look at this graph.
Newton, أنا ما أعرف.
Sheikha, look at this graph. Tell me, what is this graph about? What is this graph about?
Wavelength, time, and
Think for it yourself. Don't tell it yet. Think for yourself, and then I'll ask you a few questions. Observe the y-axis. Okay?
Is that
Observe,
meters?
So
Is that
what's up
meters?
with X?
it's meters, millimeters. Observe the x-axis.
Okay.
Okay? Observe what this is about. It's about movement in time. As the time increases, it moves up, moves down, moves up, moves down. So this is an example of
Oscillation.
oscillation. Okay? From this example, remember yesterday I told you how to find the amplitude, how to find the time period. Can you find the amplitude in this example?
Yes.
Literally forgot. How do you find the
Two.
distance from the equilibrium to the maximum?
It is 2. What is the time period?
The time period is
3.
It's from here
from
till here. Time period is for one complete oscillation, right?
Okay, can we
From here to here.
8 minus 6.
roughly around
6 seconds. 6 milliseconds.
Or from here to here.
Yes,
right?
still 6 seconds.
6 seconds.
why is it these two?
6 milliseconds.
Yeah.
It can be any two
Can be.
which are in sync. You see here,
Yeah?
it's going up
Yeah.
in the same position. Here also it's going up, same position.
Yeah, but it has to be that and that, like so, like the and the top. No, no, no.
It
Yeah.
has
Yes.
to be this and this. Or it has to be this and this.
I don't agree with it. It says here equilibrium to the maximum, so it's this
No,
and
that's
this.
not the amplitude.
This is the time period.
Oh, I'm just, the amplitude. That's what I'm
Amplitude
talking
is this, time period is this.
about. Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay, so from here to here,
That's
just measure
60.
how much it is. Or from here to here, I measure how much it is.
Okay.
This is my time period.
طاح تليفوني فارس بس بالقوة بعد.
Okay, what other information do you see from the question?
The spring constant,
Constant.
and the mass.
And the mass.
So they have given you a lot of detail. They have given you the amplitude. They've given you the
So
time
what is
period.
amplitude?
Amplitude is the maximum distance from the equilibrium position.
What do you actually do?
This is the amplitude position. They have given you this information. I haven't given you the questions yet. I'll give you the questions. Find the period and frequency of the motion. You already found the first one. What is the period?
6.
6
what?
milliseconds.
6 milliseconds. How do you find the frequency?
Frequency is equal to
From one wave to another wave, the maximum.
No. Frequency, there was a formula for frequency. Someone remind me.
something divided by lambda.
Very good, Shekhar. 1 by t.
1 by t.
And my time period is how much?
6.
6 milliseconds. So frequency is 1 by 6 milliseconds. How much is milli?
0.006.
10 power minus 3. I don't know if you remember that.
Yeah, seconds,
That's
milliseconds, 0.
10
Yeah, 10
power
power
minus
minus
3.
3.
So I can just write this 6 times 10 power minus 3 seconds. Okay. If I get this 10 power minus 3 to the top, what will this minus be?
Positive.
It change to positive. 10 power 3 divided by 6 seconds. Right? Sorry, 6 seconds. Seconds is at the bottom still. Right? Can you find the value of this? How much this is?
Yes.
So it's maybe like
1000 divided by 6.
1.3.
6.
1 point. What?
166.
166, 166,
6, 6.
6.
That's in seconds?
What is
That is per second.
Ah, per second, yeah.
Okay. Do you know what you call per second this frequency?
Ratio.
Sir,
Very good. It's called the hertz. If you have per second, it is called
Shit.
166.6
شغلة
hertz.
لا شغلة
Hey,
what is that?
قول الصوت
So you
What
learn.
frequency is that?
So you learn an extra thing
That's
today.
not that.
The extra thing is you learn that the unit for frequency is hertz, but it's only hertz when it is in seconds, not in milliseconds. So first convert milliseconds to per second, and that is hertz. Have you heard this term before, hertz?
Yeah.
Yes.
The radio waves, you know the radio that 98,
Yes.
98.1,
Yes.
those are in hertz. Okay, the waves travel in that frequency.
The sound.
The sound also, everything travels in frequencies. Okay, so that's hertz. So everyone knows how to find frequency from that period.
Yes.
Yes
Very good.
The one was.
What are the units for frequency?
Bye.
Forest. Okay.
أخاف إنه طلع من شيخة.
شنو؟ شنو؟
Second, what is the amplitude?
That is -2.
2 millimeters. 2 millimeters.
2 millimeters. Very good. And how did you find the amplitude?
Huh?
How did you find the amplitude? How did they find the amplitude?
Pass.
See the waves?
Yeah, the distance from the
This one.
This
Wave
one?
to this one.
this one or this one?
This one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, so is the distance from the equilibrium to?
No! Wait, I said this one. What?
I didn't.
Hey.
What
The height.
Okay.
The height, yes.
The distance between this one and this one.
كان عندي سماعات وراح الحمام.
Yes.
Okay.
إذا ركام
Shake
شايفة
up. Shake up.
Someone-
Muhammad, I will ask you to go out.
You will.
Next time you have something to say, okay?
next time.
So the amplitude is the
Maximum displacement.
which is 6 millimeters. Sorry, 2 millimeters.
Wait, Mr. Sun, I have a question. We should calculate it from the 0, 0, no?
From the equilibrium position.
Because I think some people will calculate it from this one to the bottom.
Yes,
Wavelength.
that is wrong.
No, this is the wavelength.
Yes.
This is the wavelength.
Yeah.
Okay. This also gives you the time period.
Okay.
Okay. Next question. Sketch the graph of x versus t for the situation where the amplitude is cut in half. So you're going to draw the graph here. The same graph, but in this case, the amplitude is cut in half. So how will the
We
graph?
have to take the maximum.
will be
One.
Will it start from here?
No.
No, it will be from the
Yes.
middle.
Yes.
No, yeah, it will always start from the middle. It will always start from the middle.
The only thing that's happening is the amplitude is cut in half. The frequency is the same. The time period
زرع
is the same.
مرات تسمى
Yeah, it starts from 0, 0.
Amplitude
The
is so.
displacement.
those-
Oh, it's fine from the top to the middle. Okay.
So the amplitude is cut in half. So instead of this 2, the maximum
One.
height is
1.
1.
Oh, no, it doesn't.
So everything else remains the same.
Yes.
So I just draw the graph.
Like this.
And what should my amplitude here be?
One.
Minus
One.
1. Also
Minus
1.
one.
Minus 1. So I'll just draw it like that. And then
Like
like
that.
this. And then like
Like
that.
that. And like this.
Do you think these both have the same time period?
Yes.
Yes. Because
Because
same
even for
frequency.
this, from coming here to here, it is 6 milliseconds.
Same frequency.
Same frequency also. There's 1 by
Everything same.
Why not count it from that side?
from which side? From here also you can count. From here till here. See how much distance it is. This
One
is
full
what?
wave.
This is 3.
Must.
This is how much? This is 9.
This is
9
to find
minus
what?
3 is
How many?
So the same.
Okay.
it's the same.
Yeah.
Okay?
Mr. Sunny, this is to find what?
You're,
The length of the.
read the question. It says sketch the graph when the amplitude is cut in half.
4.1.
Okay, sorry, like this. Martin, sorry.
I want to say something. Can we talk about the speed of the waves?
No.
Yes.
Because it's going half of the distance.
No.
Is it going slower?
No.
The
No.
speed is the
He
same.
said the frequency is.
But it's covering
You
the
mean
different
maximum
difference.
speed.
I'm just generally saying speed, like what the speed, anything in speed change because going half the distance. Because you can't go both of the distance at the same speed. How is that possible?
See,
Something.
imagine this to be the spring, right?
Yeah.
The spring and the box.
Yeah.
You're only dragging it to half the distance.
Yes.
If you drag it to half the distance, you will get less speed, right?
Yes.
When it reaches to the bottom.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So obviously in the second case,
Speed is a
the
bit
maximum
slower.
speed is lesser
Yeah.
than the first case.
Why? Because if they're both starting, right? The bottom one, the first one will reach to one faster than this. The second, this reaches to, this reaches to one. The wavelength. Like, if you know what I mean? You know what I'm talking
So
about?
they are in sync. The
Yeah.
only difference is this is more extended than that. See, for example, the first one is pulled to a longer distance.
Yes.
The second one is pulled to a shorter distance.
Yes.
But they both have
Same time.
the same
Yes.
time.
Timing,
They
yeah.
both move the same, but this
Yeah.
the bottom one moves to a longer position.
Yeah.
The shorter one more slow.
شيخة شو يشتغل شوبيز.
They have the same frequency. There you go. That's your answer. It's exactly the same. Sure, it's the one right away. Okay, now this is my blue graph. I want you to compare the red graph and the blue graph and tell me what is the difference between these two.
Time.
No.
Me.
I'm going to ask you a question. Is the amplitude the same for the red graph?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
But the frequency.
The time
Is the time period the same?
No. No.
It's hitting point at different times though.
The time period is the same.
The time period is the same. Look at the distance
The
from
wavelength
here
is different.
till here.
Yes, wavelength is
What is the distance?
60
It is
seconds.
6.
I can't see because of your head.
Who was that?
The camera.
Okay. What is the distance between this and this?
What's this happening? I didn't get the camera.
Six.
Is it 11 1 big vlog?
Yes.
Nips vlog.
It's
off, right?
No.
That's recorded. You just made a fool of yourself. I'm sure.
It's not recording. It's recording.
It is recorded. Yes, I'm recording also, and I just told.
It's going on the internet. You're
Don't let me
going
expose it from the
viral.
camera now.
الفلوس شوف ساعتها بورس.
I'll expose it from the camera. Rich boy in the class.
Okay, Allah is it khair.
Okay, what is the distance between this and this? 6 milliseconds. Distance between this and this is also 6. So the time period is the same. The frequency is the same.
The amplitude is the
The amplitude is the same. So what's different? Why are these two different? The wavelength is also the same.
They had the time at different points.
Who can tell me, except
The
Mustafa?
X is different.
What?
The X is different.
What is different? The X is different.
The wavelength is longer
That's
than
all.
the base.
Maybe.
Wavelength.
This?
Yes. The phase is
Yeah!
only phase difference.
Yes.
Phase difference.
Hey,
They're starting at different times. They have the same frequency,
but
same
different
amplitude,
phase.
same amplitude, but they're starting at different times.
See,
You have to
Mustafa?
stop one for some time in order
Don't
to
worry,
catch up. Okay? So the phase is different. How much is different? The phase?
One.
One what?
One.
Very
1
second.
millisecond. Millimem.
Because if you stop this, if you stop this,
الدكتورة مليمتر ولا عارف.
شاب محتاج مليمتر.
guys, I'm saying something, so please be quiet. If you stop this for 1 second, this will come and catch up to this.
1 millisecond.
1 millisecond. Okay, once this catches up, they'll both be in the same sync.
What was
So the time that you have to stop it is for 1 millisecond. That's it. So that is a phase difference. Yes? We're all good here?
This one for here, so we need to
شنو فيز يبا؟
for heart. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I have the same graph, displacement and time.
It doesn't
Take them over, don't tell them.
Because your river doesn't ask it.
It does. You just went there and you watched the video and you came here, right? You can't wait till the period ends to watch the video.
Which video?
I don't know.
Huh?
Whatever you guys were
I saw it also in that video. That video it wasn't that much good for just
What the hell, sir? I didn't saw anything.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
I was talking with the cleaner.
Why you need this phone for?
I asked him about
We caught you. Habibi, finish.
what?
Okay.
Listen.
Okay. Now let's get back to class.
Oh yeah, we recording again?
I have a graph.
Excuse me, be quiet.
I have the graph here, distance and time. The same graph.
Guilty, guilty.
Super. Why did you stop? I will throw this.
Because
Okay.
if I don't stop, then they'll pass comments, and then I don't want them to disturb it when I'm saying something.
They will not pass comments, they cannot slap them.
Okay. This is the distance time graph, same graph. I want you to try and draw the velocity time graph. You know the velocity?
Yes.
Okay, when the distance is 0, what do you think is the velocity?
Zero.
The velocity is?
Zero.
Zero.
Think again. The distance is 0, what is the velocity?
Oh, maximum
Maximum,
velocity.
Maximum velocity.
So it will be up.
So it will be something over here. The velocity will be maximum. And then, when
So
the
the velocity is similar to kinetic?
yes, of
Just
course,
that
kinetic
down
is
like
half the
this.
square.
The more the velocity,
The more the velocity, the more the kinetic
So-
energy. Okay. So this here is the velocity. Now, when the distance is maximum, what is the velocity?
velocity is minimum.
Lowest.
0.
Yeah, zero.
Right? So it comes to the distance is maximum, the velocity is 0.
And again it will go like this.
And again it will go. When the distance is 0, the
Still down.
velocity is.
Yeah.
It changes direction. That's why it goes from positive to negative. And then it goes here. And then it goes here. So you see the pattern?
Yes.
The velocity is the opposite.
So moving.
It's like that.
It's not opposite, it's almost the same.
Yes?
Mm.
It's
That's
actually,
the same.
if the distance is maximum, velocity is 0. Velocity is maximum, distance is 0. It's like that. And the velocity also changes directions. So they ask you to draw the velocity versus time graph, and that's what we did.
Mr. Sani, they will ask us to
Yes,
draw it
yes.
in red in the exam.
Yes.
So we should
Oh,
bring
it's
a
not-
red pen.
Hey,
No. They won't ask you to draw it in red. They just ask you to.
Both.
It is in sketch in red.
Chemistry.
Start the period.
Let's solve it.
2 minutes
hey,
ago.
can I swear for you, haha?
2 minutes ago. 2 minutes.
Alright, thank you. We'll continue.
Mr. Sani, do you have something important to say?
I do, but then the period ended, so maybe some other time.